Hello everybody. Ever have one of those moments where you're doing something else, in my case working in the shop, and all of a sudden two problems from some other part of your life all of a sudden come together? In this case, the problem was, what do you do with the problem of a tangled jumble of ratchet straps and the eternal problem of having misplaced socks? All of a sudden, it occurred to me that if we actually got these two groups together, this would be a lovely thing. In this situation, you can get everything all together, one place. Leave a little bit hanging out so you can tell which strap is in there. Tie it off, and now all your bungee cords or your ratchet straps won't get mixed together. Hopefully that helps somebody. Y'all have a great day.